Greetings, friends. As always, it's an honor to welcome you back to Rick's Garage. What you see before you is my power-built serpentine belt toolkit. It's used for releasing the tension on a belt tensioner so a serpentine belt can be replaced. I think I paid somewhere around $30, $40 for it. They're fairly inexpensive. With some cars, this toolkit doesn't quite cut it, and I'll show you what the problem is. This is a Nissan Altima. I just posted a video on how to change the water pump, and part of that was replacing the serpentine belt. This is typical of your front-wheel drive four-cylinder motors. The engine is mounted sideways, and I don't know if you can see it, but your motor mount is right here. And the motor mount kind of gets in the way of giving you enough throw to release the tension on the belt tensioner. See, the motor mount right here prevents you from getting a real good swing. You're very limited on how much movement you get with a straight tool like this. Now, Toyota has come up with a solution for their four-cylinder front-wheel drive vehicles, and I'll show you what it is. You can see this belt tensioner tool is bent in such a way that it'll fit underneath the motor mount and give you plenty of travel to release the tension. Other manufacturers may have a similar tool, I don't know, but I know Toyota does. This particular tool goes for about $98. My solution to the problem, and I used it when I repaired this particular vehicle, rather than go out and spend near $100 for a special tool, I went out and bought a very inexpensive serpentine belt kit. Cheapest one I could find. I think I got this at AutoZone. I paid about $15 for it. I clamped it in a vise, heated it up, and put a little bend in it. So with a little bit of a bend in this tool, I can now get in there, and it gives me a lot more throw to release the tension, so I can get the belt on and off. So rather than struggle with a short wrench or a straight tensioner tool, buy a cheap one, bend it, and it'll become a handy little tool for just especially for these four-cylinder front-wheel drives. It's very typical. They all seem to have this problem where the motor mount is in your way when you're trying to release the tension to get a serpentine belt on and off. So that's all I've got, friends. I want to thank you once again for watching Rick's Garage. Before I go, I'll post two videos to your left. One will be the job I did on this car, replacing the water pump and belt. And the other will be something I hope you find of interest. And to your right, as always, will be a picture of my avatar in the form of my trusty German Shepherd. By all means, feel free to click on that should you wish to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you all very, very soon.